Collections on your credit report is one of the worst possible things to have on a credit report. And one simple collection, whether it's a $5 collection, a $50 collection, or a $5 million collection, the dollar amount doesn't matter. But one collection on your credit report can lower your scores more than a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and have a longer lasting impact on your credit score. And one of the worst collections you can have is Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, or T-Mobile. So when a cell phone company sends you to collections like Verizon for not paying your bill, not sending the device back at the right time, whatever reason, when a cell phone company sends you to collections, it can destroy your credit, preventing you from being able to buy a house, preventing you from being able to buy a car at a decent interest rate, and even prevent you from getting a decent credit card, all because of a $50 Verizon collection. Well, the good news is that most of these utility companies, including Verizon, don't have the paperwork required by federal and state law to leave that collection on your credit report. And what I've done for the last 17 years is helped hundreds of thousands of people remove items from their credit report. Late payments, charge-offs, collections, short sales, bankruptcies, and yes, Verizon collections. But what I've discovered in the last 2 years is changing my entire business. Now we're offering the credit repair to our students for free. That's right. You can get your credit fixed for free with a subscription to Fortress University. Not only will we fix your credit, we will even provide you with free credit monitoring service, so you know what your credit score is. You can protect yourself from identity theft. And we'll teach you on how to reduce your debt, how to lower your taxes, how to make more money at your current job, how to start a business, how to get business credit and business funding, and at the same time, fix your credit for free. FortressUniversity.com. You can go there today and sign up for a free consultation to talk with one of our friendly credit consultants that's been trained by FICO credit experts. You can sign up today by simply purchasing the program. Or you can join me tonight at 6 p.m. where I will walk you through step by step, move by move, how to increase your credit, eliminate your debt, and lower your taxes. So join me tonight at 6 p.m. Pacific. Nothing to buy. I'm just going to simply sit down with you, show you step by step how you can have a higher credit score in as little time as tomorrow. That's right. Attend my workshop tonight. I'll give you the link that will guarantee give you a $1,500 credit card, regardless of your credit score, and improve your credit score 50 to 150 points in the next, really, 24 to 72 hours if you attend tonight for free at 6 p.m. Pacific. So hopefully I see you on there. Have a good day.